Hello everybody, and today we have Twig Plays here, and we have the brand new hands. And
yes, Animal Company.
We got bigger cheeks. What? These big
It's amazing.
They're like sausage fingers, bro.
Exactly.
Yeah, bro.
It's amazing.
And anyway, let's go get some stuff to play.
What we're doing today, I guess.
Wow, we're very.
So first thing, there's a lab.
Yeah, there's
It's amazing.
Frogger. So we got me, my handsome self. You can change your outfit. Yeah, you can get ahead. Also, yeah. Oh, tail. Hell no. Alright. Clothing. This is where I need to get a couple of things. Hat. I have nothing. Poor. I live on the streets. I'm too poor. I don't have any money. I already played yesterday. It doesn't let me play anymore. So I just go through it.
Oh, okay. That's Did he actually? Not
there's
here.
2 red dots. Gonna run. Hey, we're good. We're chilling. Ain't nothing going on. Let's go examine the dead body.
Yeah, go examine it.
Oh my god, that's so light. Okay, I'm screwed. What? Loot them. Oh wow, a lot of loot. Yo, yummy, yummy. Sushi GT. J-Man statue. J-Man. He's a Sigma. He also made a video on Animal Company. Also, I just joined the Discord server. Why is there a...
It's because you got a golden statue. Right, ready?
Are you...
Whoa!
$11. Oh, you have my bag. Thank you.
That's my flashlight, bro.
$175. Yo, wait, hold up, give me a second. No! Twig Plays! Home to Perth face reveal. Little bro! I can't get past. No? Not for me, it isn't.
It is for me.
How there's a part of your game. No, how?
What the hell?
His cheeks are bouncing. Dog walked up to the loading
Gardening.
and he said to Twig Plays running the stand. What is he doing? Hey, yo, little bro, do you need some assistance?
Should we just go?
Run past him. Oh, that's
Yeah.
a bomb. What are you doing?
I done it.
It's gonna scare me. I hate
Hello.
the skin. Hey, what's good, my amazing brother?
Never back down.
Never give up. Never back down. Never give up. Let's go. Oh, what?
Up to the right.
Wait, is there more skinwalkers in here? Ah! Give me the fuck!
You only got the egg.
I wanted almonds.
Then, or maybe
Yeah, he was chasing me. First try.
you too slow.
I literally tapped $250, but I hit the gritty, guys. This was a really cool thing. Twig Plays the signal. Look, there's a flashlight on the map.
Guess who's holding the gun?
I think I might be cooked.
Alright,
Alright, thank you guys. It was really a pleasure watching.
Thanks for
This
watching,
man is very gay.
everybody.